Hey guys, I'd like to welcome you to another episode of The Thai Life. Today we have actually a kind of a special episode. So basically, Mother's Day is coming up, so I've been trying to think of something special to do for Angun, some fun little adventure to go on. And one of our favorite places to go is Korat, Thailand. They have a really pretty shopping mall and some things to see. But in doing some research in Korat, I found out that there's a Thai temple, and it's tucked away into this mountain, kind of in the middle of nowhere. But it's a place where Thai people, if they have like a statue they feel has it's haunted, or if they have some object in their house that creeps them out, basically it's a temple that they bring this stuff to. And the temple supposedly has a lot of roads to nowhere and different things to confuse bad spirits. And so I thought, you know what we can do is I'll take her to to a hotel that we like, to our one of our favorite restaurants there, but I'm going to kind of sneak this in. So Thai people aren't real excited to explore places like this, so it's going to I'm going to have to sneak it in. Oh my goodness, guys, it is really hot today. So anyway, I've let Angun in on the trip, and she's excited. And as you can see, she got dressed up. So this should be a fun trip. And what's really interesting too is that for a trip like this, you may wonder, how much does it cost to go to a nice hotel and to explore these places and do this? Like, how much is this trip gonna cost? Well, the hotel is $20, and the restaurant that we're going to is actually considered an expensive place. In that, so I'm just backing up here, you can see I'm going here. So in the expensive place is about, for two of us, if we order everything we want, about $15, so not bad. So hey sweetie, you ready to go?
But don't forget trash first.
Trash first, okay. So we got our trash in the back of the truck. Gotta get rid of that. Guys, so we just arrived at the hotel, which is called the Rich Place.
The hotel looks good.
It looks good?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Wow, it's good. Hey, khapkun ka, thank you. So let's see what kind of view we got. I have no idea. The room. Let's see. Outside is a nice, not a bad view, but all I can see is the reflection. Funny. Yeah. And so got a refrigerator. Here's the bed and a chair. Yeah, but the bed looks very nice.
Oh wow.
Yeah? Does it get comfortable?
Comfortable.
Alright.
Alright.
You happy, Mai?
I'm happy. Thank you for this trip. Cannot imagine this room just 689 baht. Maybe because we booked by
Booking?
Yeah, booking.
Yeah, maybe.
Yes, and include breakfast too. You can choose another kind, I can choose another kind. Serve in the room, or you can go down to eat. Up to
That's too cool. And this is actually a nice work area. And good TV, pretty big. And here's the bathroom. Yeah. I mean, not bad. Definitely not bad. I've got the on-demand heating that they always have in Asia, which I prefer. It's cool. But yeah, you know what? $18, $19 for a place like this is fantastic. So kind of an inexpensive, nice, this whole trip really is a Mother's Day present for Angun, and since our shop has to be closed this might be our last chance for, you know, some of these little day trips for a while, so. And have some Muay Thai. This is cool. You know, in America, we have to pay for these fights. And here, it's just on the normal TV.
Yeah, Robert very show right now.
Yeah. But Angun's the one that's actually good at this. She's the scary one, I mean. So good? Okay. That sausage look good?
Yes.
Oh, this?
เอาให้ชุดหนึ่งค่ะ มันได้2น้ำจิ้มใช่ไหม
ค่ะสองน้ำจิ้มเลยค่ะสดกัน
Can I have the
Yeah, yeah.
เท่าไหร่คะ
20
Okay.
เอาขนมเบื้องไส้อะไรคะผสมกันก็ได้ใช่จ้ะชุดละ30จ้าเอา30เขาว่าอยากได้ไส้เค็มมากกว่าได้
That looks good.
มันปลากายร้อนๆเลยจ้าเค็มเยอะกว่าหวานเนาะได้
Hi, yeah?
The mask
Yeah, the masks are hot.
dead earlier sorry
Yeah.
ใช่ไหมคะแม้แต่จะทำให้ตายไวกว่าเดิมใช่หายใจไม่ออกดูหนูเดินแค่เมื่อกี้รอบเดียวดูเหงื่อแตกซักๆแล้วมันปลากายจ้าร้อนๆเลยปิดแมสด้วยนี่ด้วย
Wow, that's
ถ้าจะ
good.
สบายๆ
เป็นผีเฝ้าตลาดเลย
ตัวนี้มันจะดีกว่าผู้ใหญ่อะค่ะตอนนี้ด้วยหนักนี่ก็เปลี่ยนไงเปลี่ยนกันใช้
แล้วเขาก็เด็กด้วย
เมื่อวานนี้ก็
ก็ไม่เท่า
พ่อ
กัน
แม่ว่าก็อยู่เฉยแต่ก็ดิ้นไม่ได้นะนึกออกไหมมันเอาออกไม่เป็นน่ะอยู่มันยังหายใจมันยัง
แล้วมันจะออกมาบ้าง
เขาบอกเด็กเนาะมันก็อยากขี่รถเล่นอยากออกไปนั่นนี่ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you.
แต่อันนี้จะนุ่มนะคะ อันนี้จะออกกรอบ
เอาก่อน20เนาะเด็ก9 บาท
Guava? Oh, cool.
Everything cheap here compared for like the market, the local market. We just
Uh-huh.
been buy the meat on stick.
Good.
Everything 20 and a lot, you see.
Yeah. Has to do with competition, you know, like have more seller here to fight each other.
And then the fried chicken you see before.
Right. Yeah, there was one that looked good, but
Yeah, yeah.
but also
dipping
the dumpling I was gonna say looked better.
You
Hey,
want
sorry,
popcorn too?
Yeah. Ooh, yes,
What?
yes.
These are you.
For sure, both.
Okay, ฝั่งเท่าไหร่คะ
40จ้ะ
อันนี้40อันนี้ล่ะคะ
ไม้20จ้ะ
เอา
Wow, look delicious.
you want mix like this or like this
Oh, mix. Yeah.
โอเคอันนี้อันหนึงแล้วก็อันนี้ชื่อโอเค
Yeah, please.
เอาอันนี้2ไม้นะคะเป็น
How much are these?
this 40 this
40?
yes this 20 per each
Okay.
ใส่ซอสกระเทียมไปเลยหรือแยก
แยกให้หนูดีกว่าเป็น80เนาะ
จ้ะ
ปลานี่เอาใหม่ๆเลยค่ะต้มสด10 บาทนะคะหั่นใหม่ๆเลยค่ะขวดละ10 บาทมันต้มแท้ค่ะ
ไม้เท่าไหร่คะ20จ้า
แท้มันต้มสดๆหั่นใหม่ๆค่ะนี่ขวดละ10 บาท
ของขนมจีบเป็นถุงเล็กนะคะ
ค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
มาไอ้หมู
You hold. Okay.
รวมกันได้นะคะ
นี่นะคะเอาใหม่ๆเลยนะคะมานี่ค่ะ
Here
Yeah. Okay. I think we don't need too much, but
Okay, here.
how many? Oh, let's see. What do you think?
Two?
Like, yeah, two.
อันนี้
Two,
2 อันค่ะ
two. And you want one of those also?
เดี๋ยวเอาอันนี้2
Okay.
เป็นเท่าไหร่คะ กันหนึ่งครบไหมเท่าไหร่คะ
อันนี้ถ้วยนี้25นี่20
เอาอันนี้อันหนึ่งค่ะ
Thank you.
Yes, enough.
Yeah, lots. Can I see? Hold on, show me. Yeah, a lot. It's good. Okay. Want juice or anything? Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
You have to get Coke outside. It's alright.
Okay. Yeah, we can. Yeah, if there's a 7, we can do it.
Okay. ลูกชีสรากบัว ไม่ใช่กล้วยนะรากบัวค่ะ ลูกตาล สับปะรดกี่อย่างละ
And same for me also.
แล้วก็ฟักทอง
Yeah.
ค่ะ อีกถ้วยหนึ่งเอาเหมือนกัน แล้วก็อีกแก้วหนึงเอาเป็นน้ำโค้กใส่เหมือนเมื่อกี้นะน้ำโค้กค่ะอันนี้มีค่ะอันนี้สับปะรดลูกตาลรากบัว แล้วก็ลูกชิด
ก็แบบเมื่อกี้ไม่รู้ว่า
Very Thai style.
ลูกชายดูหน่อยดิอยากรู้มันมีไฟอะไรมาเห็นไม่ได้เหรอลูกมองไม่เห็นวันทำยกด้วย
Cute.
เห็นบ้างหรือยังมีอะไรบ้าง
อยากได้นั้นน่ะ
อ๋อ3 รสสามสีบุญ3 สี
น้องอยากได้เย็นน้องอยากได้เย็นอันเดียว
เดียวไม่เอาอย่างอื่นเลยเหรออันนี้อร่อยนะเนี่ย
แล้วก็เอา
อันนี้เดียวโอเค
In the syrup, he put the jasmine flower to make a good smell.
Oh, really?
I never
Oh,
see that for a long time.
that's cool.
เอาสีเขียวกับสีแดง
โอเค
มีสีดำไหมคะ
ใส่นมด้วย
เรื่องมากมันกินโคตรอ่ะ
จะถูกไหมครับ
ใส่เลยค่ะ
I think this guy's rich, yeah? Everybody loves his stuff.
ไม่ต้องมัดก็ได้เรียนหนูถือ
ตามทุกอย่าง
20 baht per each.
Really? Wow.
All of everything. เอาไปทำ
Okay, guys, so we just got back from the market, and this is all the stuff that we bought. So everything here was about 280 baht, so about $9. But we actually were gonna spend about $20 on a nice restaurant, but it was closed, so we ended up saving some money, which is cool. But yeah.
Yes. See? Have a lot of the snack, but can make you full like a real food too. These are good for the hot weather like this. And this guy who sell this, you can see from video, he very popular because he can let you shoot like a fire kite, put inside this ice. I don't know how call, but in Thai call น้ำแข็งใส have a topping under a lot.
like a fire kite. Cannot see because there are a lot of it. Yes, this like a
Like a
there.
snow cone.
Yeah.
But with
Palm seed, something like
stuff
that.
mixed in. Oh, that's cool.
Yes. It's a
Slurpee.
Thai Slurpee. It's a fried chicken. See?
Fried chicken. Okay.
Yes, fried
okay.
chicken. This khanom pyeong, my favorite. See? I love this kind. The sour kind. And these are the dumpling.
Yeah, and they don't really have this dumpling by where we live anymore.
Yes.
And
right.
they actually never had the dumplings that look quite this good. So
Yes, and these
Yeah.
are like the flat noodle, like a spring roll, but put inside with a pork chop too.
oh, cool. So like spring roll, but not just vegetable or shrimp. It has
Yes,
pork in
right. And these they use like the face of flat noodle.
it. The flat noodles.
Yes, and these are another kind of the dumpling.
Another dumpling, and
yes,
these are
broil.
yeah, 75
Like
cents each.
Stream. Yes.
Oh, steam.
Yes, stream. And this gawa.
Guava. Yeah. Cool.
Yes, and another for maybe we hungry during the night after watch the show.
Yeah,
It's
and
very
this
good.
and it's really cheap here. Both of these for like 50 cents.
Yeah, 20 baht.
20 baht each.
Yeah.
Less than 50 cents for
And not make you fat anymore. Take a snack for
Yeah.
the night. Yes, come enjoy with us.
Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna eat this stuff, but there's always a good backup plan if your first option doesn't work.
Tastes good. Yeah, that's very good. I'm sure.
Now that one's mine.
Wow.
They
No,
eat it.
tastes very good. Even we drive far away a little bit from the night market, melt already, but still sweet.
That's mine. Are you eating mine? Huh? Oh, good. Hey guys, we're just leaving the Rich Hotel, and we had such a good experience here. You know, we've stayed at a lot of places, and this is even at any price. This is one of the best experiences we've had. Probably about 8 o'clock, we ordered breakfast to the room, which was included. Pretty amazing, but it was a great breakfast. You know, here's the picture. Uh-oh, gotta push the button. So, yeah, so this was a really cool, definitely recommend this place. I don't know if they're bringing, you know, breakfast to the room because of the virus situation or what, but really cool place.